Welcome to SynFutures step-by-step tutorial on how to leverage an arbitrage opportunity on SynFutures. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to complete an arbitrage trade from beginning to end. The video is specifically tailored for completing mission 6 of our ambassador program. To begin with, go to synfutures.com and launch the beta D app that is located on the top right corner. While you're at it, bookmark it to save time for your future use. Then, connect your MetaMask wallet and select a network. Currently, we support Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, and Arbitrum. For this tutorial, we will be using the Polygon network. Now, you have two options to find an arbitrage opportunity. 1. Go to Trade. You can manually change the base and quote assets as well as the maturity to find an arbitrage opportunity. Example, an arbitrage opportunity is the fair price of a quote asset when it deviates from the spot price by more than 10%. Alternatively, we have set up a bot in our Discord server providing all the latest arbitrage opportunities for your convenience. In order to do so, you can go to our Discord server and find the arbitrage mission channel under Events. All the necessary information, including the name of the base and quote assets, as well as the maturity and the arbitrage gap, have been provided. Once you are ready, you can click Trade Now on the pair you are interested in. You will be redirected to the trading page accordingly. Due to rapid market shifts, make sure your selected trading pairs have an arbitrage gap of larger than 10% at the time of your trade. And remember to take a screenshot as proof. You can see all the required information on the right-hand side. Next, make sure to select the long or buy option when the fair price is lower than the spot price to have the appropriate price impact. In this example, make sure to select the long or buy option and enter a quantity for the short position. The price below indicates the price of your trade. Please note that this price is approximately the average of the fair prices before and after the trade. Once you've decided on the amount that lowers the arbitrage gap to lower than 5%, you can proceed to make your deposit. Have a look at the account leverage guide on the bottom right to see the amount you need to deposit with your desired leverage. Please note, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. We will be using the 2x leverage for this trade. Click Deposit and approve your transaction on your MetaMask. Again, click Long and approve your transaction in your MetaMask. Now, check the fair price to see if the price impact has lowered the arbitrage gap to less than 5%, and remember to take another screenshot as proof. Great! You are halfway through completing the arbitrage mission now. The final and most important part of the mission is to take your profit. There are two ways to go about this. The first and easiest way is to hold the position till the end of the maturity. By then, the position will be closed and you will be able to receive your profit automatically. Remember to take a screenshot of your trading history as proof to show that the position has expired. Alternatively, you can choose to close the position before maturity. However, you will need to make sure that the price gap of the pair remains lower than 5% after you close your position. For example, if I close my position immediately after I shorted, the gap between fair price and spot price will instantly bounce back to before my trade, which is larger than 5%. This means that the arbitrage opportunity remains unleveraged and that your entry into the mission will not be qualified. However, if the gap remains less than 5% after I close my position, it still counts as a successful entry into the mission. Again, don't forget to take a screenshot as proof for your mission submission. Once you're done, remember to post all your screenshots in the SynFutures Discord server under the mission channel. Great! Now you know how to leverage an arbitrage opportunity on SynFutures. We look forward to seeing how you do on the mission. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and make sure to join our Discord server for more information.